Hello everyone, hope that all of you are well and having a really very good time. I'm also well by the grace of Almighty God. This is Porosh once again before you. So it's very early in the morning, just 30 minutes past 6, and I am here at Sheikh Russell Nagar Park in Naranganj. And today I have come here to make you understand something very important which I actually realize. So make sure you are watching my video till the end to get my point. So without further ado, let's get started. Actually, the thing is, for the past 2 days, I haven't made any English videos. But during this time, I realized something very important, which is I simply cannot stop making English videos now, even if I try, because my brain, or you could say my inner software, always pushing me and telling me that, hey Porosh, why you are not making an English video? Just go outside and make one. That is the main reason why I have come here today. Okay, and now the question is, why does my brain always encourage me like this way, or like why it is happening with me? From my point of view, I think learning English and making English videos for me has become a habit for me. So that is the reason why my brain, or as I mentioned, my inner software always pushing me for it. I don't need any external force from outside that I need to make video. I am getting this force from my inside, from my brain. And okay, so now the question comes, why most of us, we are not being able to develop this kind of habit? I mean, the answer is, most of us, we have some limitation. But you know what, if we want to get succeed in life, then it's very important for us to make this kind of habit. If you make learning English into a habit, then success will automatically come. Most of us, we want to learn English, we want to speak English fluently, but we don't take necessary steps for it. So that is why we are not being able to speak English fluently or confidently, or like the way we want. Okay, so my suggestion for you is, you have to make it as a habit. And we can't decide our future, but we decide our habits, and our habits will decide our future. Okay, so it's very important. Keep in mind that you have to make learning English into a habit. If you can do it, then success naturally follow you. Okay, try to understand what I am trying to understand you. Okay, it's very important for you to make it as a habit, and this is something that I already made, and that is why now I am being able to speak English confidently and comfortably. Okay, so my suggestion is this: make a habit of learning English and try to practice English as much as you can. Try to make video, and then you will see you are improving. I realized this like yesterday, that my brain always pushing me, just go outside and make an English video. And then I find out the answer why it is happening with me. Okay, and nowadays I am I have been motivated by different videos from YouTube, from Facebook, and nowadays I'm watching Dayal Chandra Dada's video very much. Like in a whole day, I'm just watching his video one after another, and he has a story for everyone for learning English. From the he has a great story. If you listen his story, or if you watch his video, then you will understand it. From drop out a school and then become a fluent English speaker, it was a great journey for him. And I'm telling this because I am being motivated by him for making this video. So that is the reason why I'm telling about him. Okay, and we should make this type of habits if we want to improve our spoken English. Okay, and that is my point. I hope you understand what I try to mean you, and I hope I am being able to understand you. So that is the point that I want to make here. Yes, and nowadays so many people are watching my videos, and every day they are just encouraging me. So it's really great for me that I'm doing something good, and my videos playing an impact in my brothers and sisters life, and they are also motivated for learning English. and I hope that they also can speak English if they make it as a habit. And I already made it, so that's why I'm telling you to make a habit for learning English. Yes. So that's all for now. This was my point, and I hope that you understand what I mean. And always keep trying, keep pushing forward for learning English, and then you will see success will come naturally. So have a great day to all of you. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.